Look, suppose this one is 1, okay, A1. A1 is 1, right? Then it says we copy this one twice, so A2 is 2, right? So,
Yeah.
okay. This one is this one 2, A3, and here we have plus 1, right? 1 plus. So it would be 2, 2, 4, 5. So A3 is 5. Can you find a relationship between, for example, what's, or here, let's write this one. We copy this one twice, this one twice, this one twice. Plus 1, plus 1. So what's A4 is 12, but what's A4 in terms of A3?
Is it A3 plus 2? No,
No,
I
wait.
mean,
We copy each element twice, so we can get a hint from this part, right?
it's each element times 2.
Yes,
But
so
I don't know how to write that.
A3 times 2, because when each element times 2, 2A3, right? And plus
Yeah.
what?
Plus 2.
Yes, because we have 2 plus 1s, right? So
Yeah.
what's A5, what's A5 in terms of A4?
2A4 plus 2.
No, plus 2A4 is correct, but plus 2 is not.
Wait, why isn't it plus 2? Because 26.
Because look, we have, when we have this one, this one, this one, we have 3 plus 1s. Agree?
Also, it's plus 3.
Yes, so what's AN equal to then?
AN is equal to 2AN minus 1 plus N minus 1.
Exact. N minus?
Oh, N minus 2.
Exact. Now you should use this approach that I told you. Then we have 2, right? Let me put a black box. You should define Bn, find Bn, and then An, okay? Do you need another hint, or is that enough?
Can I have another hint?
Another hint is to define Bn like this. You should
Okay.
define Bn, write recursive sequence for Bn, and solve it. And what's A1? A1 is 1. Okay, see if we can solve it. Try.
I got the closed form of AN.
Okay, so what's the closed form?
2 to the power of N plus 2 minus N.
So A1 is, it doesn't work for A1, right?
Oh.
What about A2? Let's check. A2 is 4 plus 2, 6 minus 2. It doesn't work for 2 as well. Wanna try it again, or do you need a hint?
Can I have a hint?
Okay, sure. So we define Bn as An over 2 to the n. What's the equation for Bn?
Bn is 2a n minus 1 over 2 to the power of n plus n minus 2 over 2 to the power of n.
No, look, Bn is Bn minus 1 plus n minus 2 over 2 to the n, right?
Oh, yeah.
So Bn minus 1 is n minus 2 over 2 to the n, right?
Okay.
What about Bn minus 1 minus Bn minus 2?
N minus 3 over
Uh-huh.
2 to the n minus 1.
What about Bn minus 2 minus Bn minus 3?
N minus 4 over 2 to the n minus 2.
So what are the last two equations?
B2 minus B1 equals 2.
Yes, or we can say B3 minus B2, then B2 minus B1. What's B3 minus B2?
2 minus n over 2 to the power of 3.
B3 minus B2 is what over what?
2 minus n.
We don't have any n here. Look, If you pay attention to this one, you can say b3 minus b2.
1 over 2 to the power of 3.
Yes, 1 over 2 cubed. And what about the last one? That's what over what?
1 over 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2.
To the power of 2 is correct, but the numerator is not correct. What over 2 squared?
Oh, 0 over 2 squared.
Yes. Okay, so we can cancel all these terms. What's b1 equal to?
1/2.
Yes, 1/2. Okay, so bn minus 1/2 is equal to 1 over 2 cubed plus 2 over 2 to the 4th, right? Plus 3 over
Yeah.
2 to the 5th, all the way to n minus 2 over 2. How can we calculate this?
The geometric series. The common difference. Wait.
Uh, Look what the numerators are
Yeah.
increasing. That's the problem. Do you know how to calculate this?
No.
Okay, so let me tell you, we can call it, it's not a famous name, just for calling a name. We can call it triangular method. Let me explain. So we can write all of them just once, 1 over 2 cubed, 1 over 2 to the 4th, 1 over 2 to the 5th. Then we know the formula to calculate this, right?
Yeah.
Then for the next part, we can write it as 1 over 2 to the 4th, 2 to the 5th, 1 over 2 to the, right? Then you
Yeah.
can start from 1 over 2 to the 5th, so on, all the way to 1 over 2 to the n. Okay? And you should calculate each line and then calculate the results. Add up the results. Understand?
Okay.
Okay, so calculate each line and then add the results and see if you can simplify.
I don't understand how to simplify them and add them all together.
Okay, so let's calculate each one. So we know, let me copy this here. What's the first line equal to?
1 over 2 to the power of 3 times 1 over 2 and to the power of 1 minus 1.
Half and 1 minus what here?
No, it was 1 over 2 to the power of n plus 1.
If you factor from this, n minus 3, n minus 2, yes. If you multiply by this one, it will be 1 over 2 to the n plus 1. So if we simplify it, it would be, it's 1/2. So it would be 1/4 minus 1 over 2 to the n, right?
Oh, okay.
So similarly, what would it be? What's the next line equal to? Or instead of 4, we can write it as 2 squared. What's the next line equal to?
1 over 2 to the 3 minus 1 over 2 to the n minus 1.
Yes. No. 1 over 2 cubed, but not minus 1 over 2 to the n minus. Write it
Is it
like
just
this, calculate and simplify it. What would it be?
I got it's still 2 to the power of n.
To the power of n, yes, to the power of n is correct. You said to the power of n minus 1. Or you said n.
Yeah, I said n.
Oh, okay, sorry, I heard. What's the next line?
1 over 2 to the power of 4 minus 1 over 2 to the n.
Exactly. And what about last one if you want to write it in the same?
Um, I know the second term will be 1 over 2 to the n, but I don't know what the first term is.
Look, if you pay attention, 3 is 1 less than this. 4 is 1 less than 5. So 2 to the n, 2 to the n minus 1, right? Because it's
1, okay.
okay. Now let's add them up. Do you need a hint for this part or want to try it on your own?
Can I also have a hint for this
Okay,
part?
sure. How many 1 over 2 to the nth are there?
N minus 2.
Look, from 3 to n is n minus 2, right?
Yeah.
N minus 2 over 2 to the n. And this part, again, this one is similar to something like this. So it's 1 over 2 to the what minus 1 over 2 to the what? Some of these elements.
1 over 2 to the 1 minus 1 over 2 to the n.
Exactly. 1 over 2. Minus 1 over 2 to the n minus 1 because the last one is n minus 1.
Yeah, n minus 1, yeah.
Okay, so this is Bn. And this is Bn minus B1. Which is Bn minus 1 half, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Bn is equal to 1 half plus 1 half is 1 minus 1 over 2 to the n minus 1 minus n minus 2 over 2 to the n, right?
Okay.
So an is equal to 2n times bn, so if you multiply 2 the n minus 2 minus n minus 2, right?
Yeah.
This 2 to the n minus n, right?
Okay.
So if you check a1, a1 is 2 minus 1 is 1, a2 is 4 minus 2 is 2, a3 is 8 minus 3, 5, so 1, 2, 5. Let's check it, 1, 2, 5, right? Okay, so we found
Yeah, that
an is
works.
equal to 2 to the n minus n. Find the final answer.
Is there an easy way to calculate 2 to the power of 2023?
You don't need to calculate it, it says just find the units digit.
Oh, units digit, okay. I got 5.
Okay, let's check here. 2 to the 2023. Units digit is 2, 4, 8, 6, and so on. So 2023 divided by 4 is 3, so it would be 8. 8 minus here 3. Units
3
digit
is
mod
5.
10 is 5. Yes, good.